Are you prepared to protect your family's financial future? Having life insurance is crucial for ensuring your loved ones are secure even when you're no longer around. In this eye-opening training, we'll discuss the importance of life insurance for families and why it's essential for achieving long-term financial security. From providing for final expenses to creating a safety net for your dependents, life insurance can bring peace of mind and stability to your family's financial well-being. If you're a parent or breadwinner looking to safeguard your family's future, this video is for you. Learn how life insurance can help you provide for your family's financial needs, even in the face of uncertainty, with confidence. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more informative content. Hello and welcome to the Confident Wealth Solution, where we deliver proven strategies that help you confidently create, expand, and manage your wealth. My name is Karen Kitt. I'm a retired teacher with over 13 years of experience in the financial services industry. Today, I'm going to break down the real facts about life insurance that you need to know for 2025. You might want to rewatch this training when you're done so you can plan for your future with confidence. Did you know that nearly 40% of American families would struggle to pay their bills within just 6 months if the primary wage earner passed away unexpectedly? That's a staggering statistic, and it highlights just how important it is to think about the financial future of your loved ones. Life insurance may not be the most exciting topic, but trust me, it's a crucial one. Imagine if you weren't around to provide for your family. Would they be able to maintain their current lifestyle, or would they be forced to make drastic changes? Having a life insurance policy in place can be a lifesaver, literally. It can help you ensure that your family's financial needs are met, even if you're no longer around to provide for them. The truth is, the sooner you get a policy in place, the better. You never know what the future holds, and having that peace of mind can be invaluable. Many of us put off getting life insurance because we think it's too expensive or too complicated. But the reality is, there are many affordable options out there. And once you understand the basics, it's not as overwhelming as you might think. First, there are two main types of life insurance: term life and permanent life. Term life provides coverage for a specific period of time, usually ranging from 10 to 30 years. Permanent life, on the other hand, provides lifetime coverage and often includes a cash value component. Permanent life insurance can further be broken down into whole life and universal life. Whole life insurance provides a fixed premium rate and a guaranteed death benefit, while universal life insurance offers more flexibility in terms of premium payments and investment options. It's a lot to take in, I know, but understanding the basics is key in choosing the right policy for your family. Now that we've covered the basics, let's walk through the step-by-step process of choosing the right life insurance policy for your family. The first step is to determine how much coverage you need. This will depend on a number of factors, including your income, outstanding debts, and funeral expenses. A general rule of thumb is to multiply your annual income by 10 to 15 times, but this can vary depending on your individual circumstances. Next, you'll need to decide on the type of policy that's right for you. Will you opt for term life, whole life, or universal life insurance? Each has its pros and cons, and it's essential to weigh these carefully before making a decision. Consider your budget, your family's needs, and your long-term goals. Now, once you've decided on the type of policy, it's time to shop around. Compare rates and coverage from different insurers, and don't be afraid to ask questions. For example, what's the premium rate and how does it change over time? Or is there a waiting period before the policy takes effect? Are there any exclusions or limitations to the coverage? It's also essential to read the fine print and understand the policy terms, such as what's the payout process and how does it work? Are there any additional fees or charges associated with the policy? These may seem like minor details, but they can make a big difference in the long run. Another critical step is to evaluate the insurer itself. Research the company's reputation, customer service, and financial stability. You want to ensure that the insurer will be able to pay out in the event of your passing. So look for companies with a strong financial rating, excellent customer service, and a range of policy options. Don't be afraid to ask questions or seek advice from a financial advisor. Now let's address a life insurance planning mistake made by many thoughtful individuals, and that is failing to consider and make adjustments for your family's changing needs over time. Will you need to increase your coverage as your family grows or decrease it as your children become independent? These are all important factors to consider when choosing a life insurance policy. Let's take a look at some real life scenarios to illustrate how life insurance policies work. Imagine you're a 35-year-old husband with two young children earning $50,000 a year. You want to ensure that your family can maintain their current lifestyle even if you're no longer around. A term life insurance policy with a 20-year term and a $500,000 death benefit might be a good option. Or consider this scenario. You're a 45-year-old mother with three children, and you're the breadwinner. You want to ensure that your family can pay off the mortgage and maintain their current standard of living. A whole life policy with a value of $750,000 death benefit and a fixed premium rate might be the way to go. So, what's holding you back from getting life insurance? Is it the cost, the complexity, or something else entirely? In this training, we covered the basics of life insurance, why life insurance is so important, and how you can protect your family's financial future. Having a life insurance policy in place can be a game changer for your family's financial future. It's essential in ensuring that your loved ones are protected even if the unexpected happens. By understanding the basics, choosing the right policy, and evaluating insurers, you are on your way to making crucial and informed decisions about life insurance with confidence. Thanks for watching.